Hey, and welcome back to the Lang 6 channel. Today we'll be making some easy Nutella French toast roll-ups. Now this can be for as many as you want or as little as you want. I ended up with about 9 rolls at the end of it. So you simply start by taking your bread, cutting off the crust on all 4 sides. Now I do have a recipe that takes the crust and turns it into something else, which I might post at a later date. But for now, we just are setting them to the side. And then you're gonna take your piece of bread and you're gonna take your rolling pin and flatten it out as much as possible. You're gonna wanna roll it out in one direction only. And then take your Nutella and spread it out on the whole piece of bread. You don't want too much because you don't want it to start coming out when you roll them up. And then you're going to take them and roll them up as tight as you can all the way to the end. Then you'll take a small bowl and crack 1 egg and add some milk and vanilla, similar to what you would do with regular French toast. I think I added about 1/3 cup of milk and about a teaspoon of vanilla and mix that up till it's well combined. And now you're gonna take another small bowl and mix in some white sugar and cinnamon. Here I used about, again, 1/3 cup of white sugar and maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, but that could depend on how cinnamony you like it, or you could even probably add brown sugar instead. It's totally up to you. Now take your rolls and dip them in the milk egg mixture and simply place them in a hot pan with a little bit of butter at the bottom on medium high. And keep cooking and moving them around until they're nice golden brown. And then simply toss them in that cinnamon sugar mixture. And there you go. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button below. If you want to see our future videos, hit that subscribe button as well.